All right, we've talked a lot about kind of naming conventions on the dot notation, so which is related to make view. We'll go over that real quick, but there are other naming conventions, and they're very simple to remember. So it's a short section here. So with views, you use dot notation. So you have your model, and we make those models plural. This is just a convention I'm going to use throughout the video series. So if I have posts and I have comments on those posts and I have images related to those comments and I want to show one of the images, then I would use posts.comments.images.show. So they're pluralized and they're separated with dots. For controllers, I'm going to use PascalCase. PascalCase is upper camel case, so it's camel case, which means words are separated by capital letters. And I always end with controller. That's just my convention. So if I want the controller, and if you don't know what a controller is, don't worry. By the end of all these videos, you will definitely know what a controller is. But that's just where we take what the view is going to need. So we get the data from our database, we manipulate it, and we provide that data to the view. That's what the controller doing. It's controlling things. It's in control. So the naming convention is going to be upper camel case ending with the word controller. If I have, I'm going to keep the structure. So if I'm really looking at a comment controller, but it's related to recipes, I'm going to call it RecipeCommentController. That's going to be the name of my controller. And then for models, they are just they're singular, so I don't pluralize them, and then they don't end in anything but upper camel case. So if there was like the list one that we were talking about here, recipe shopping list, then that would be capital S and then capital L to make that multi-word. We'll go more into that when we do the make model. So I just gave 3 examples that were all single words here. So here's the short list. Dots separate structure into segments. Underscores keep multiple words together in one segment. Views follow a plural resource naming convention. Controllers end with the word controller, and controller and models are singular. In the next video, I will just wrap up this whole page. So if you didn't want to go through all the videos in this page, I would definitely watch the next one just so you get an idea of what happened in all the prior videos.